Hey, we're going to start off with Tutti Frutti, keeping us in that whole series of the 1950s song. Another cool song, 3 chords and a lot of fun. You're going to need a D, get the D down, pretty cool. A G, everybody's got the G, you got a G in there. And an A, and we're on our way to a lot of fun with Little Richard's Tutti Frutti. We're going to learn this song like there's no tomorrow, and you're going to be jamming this at parties before you know it. That's a very recognizable intro, and that is to Tutti Frutti by Little Richard. We're going to learn this lesson. We're going to take this lesson today, and we're going to learn this song so easy. But the key part to this is a lot about the strumming and the cadence of what you do with these notes. Because if you just hear the that really doesn't do anything fun for you. And there's actually an extra G in there anyway. But it's kind of boring unless you're doing the, you know, if you've got a starting in a D, okay, and again, I'm going to have all the chords here. I'll have these chords at the end of the video too, so you can kind of strum through at your own speed. But if you kind of get into this, you kind of like let yourself feel the song. That's how simple this is. Now, the fun part about that is find the lyrics. The lyrics are available out there anywhere. And I don't know if even giving that many lyrics to it and singing that gets any kind of danger with YouTube. I just want you to be able to feel that song. And the way to feel that song is sing along with it. I'm going to kind of play this. So you play the D chord, and it's the Tutti Frutti, all Rudy. Tutti Frutti, do it twice, all Rudy. Go to G, Tutti Frutti, all Rudy. Tutti Frutti, all Rudy. Go to A, Tutti Frutti, go back to G, all Rudy. And then go to the wop, bop, loo, bop, a wop, bam, boom. I got a guy named Daisy. She almost drives me crazy. Got a guy named Daisy. She almost drives me crazy. She walks to the east, she walks to the west. She's the girl that I love best. Tutti Frutti, oh Rudy, oh Rudy, Tutti Frutti, oh wop, bop, doo, bop, oh wop, bam, boom. And that's all it is, over and over and over again. But that song just gets people chanting with you. And since it's an easy D, an A. Now, if you notice, your index finger doesn't even leave that chord. So you got a D, a G, back to a D, then to an A, G, and a D. That's the progression, and if you just keep doing that over and over again, let people sing it out. Play with it, have fun with it. It's all about where these chords come into play and how you strum that, strum that, strum that. That's the easiest part about that. Tutti Frutti, a great song from the 50s. We got more coming up, so make sure you subscribe below so that you can be alerted when the next one comes up. And then later we'll have a full series on the 60s. That's some great songs in there too. And I'm keeping them all in 3 chords, very easy to learn. And I have the chords on the screen here and at the end of the video so you can see those as well. So I hope that you like this and I hope you enjoy it. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love comments. I love the comments, and people they've reached out to me from all over the world. I'm honored to be here is Ohio Jimbo, just a person that's helping beginning guitarists get out there and start playing. And well, we've got a great season ahead of us, so stay with us and enjoy this song. And until the next time, this is Ohio Jimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.